Where can one hide? Refusing to accept the dark, alluring falsehood to have its way are opposites that cannot live in a house of tranquility, where all the beauty she can give is lost in vanity and pride. She who is the force, the guide, all is she. Where can one hide?